beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how I verify my Google AdSense account without the Google AdSense pin. Yes, it is possible. So some weeks back I posted something on my YouTube post on how I got my Google AdSense pin after 4 months of applying. In that post, I told you how I was able to verify my Google AdSense account before the pin. If not that I have done that, by the time I got that pin, my channel will have been demonetized, which is something not to pray for. You are already seeing your money accumulating, like you're already calculating that, okay, I'm going to get so money, only for YouTube to now demonetize your account. It's something that should not happen to any creator at all. So what happened is that I was able to verify my Google AdSense account before the pin. Before you can apply for Google AdSense verification, you need to earn $10, at least $10, before you can request for your pin. So in my own case, when I got to the $10, I applied, and you have 4 months to apply for this thing. You have 4 months. After 4 months, all your money, your earnings are gone if you are unable to verify your Google AdSense account. Let me take you through the story on how this my Google AdSense pin and everything happened. So after you get monetized, during the process of applying for monetization, you are going to sign up for Google AdSense, where you put your name, your details, and submit your ID and everything. I believe you all know that. If you don't know about it, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll do a video about that. So after applying for that, you have to wait till you earn like $10 before you can apply for your Google AdSense pin. So when I earned $10, I applied for the Google AdSense pin, and the following day I received a mail that my Google AdSense pin has been sent. When you apply for a Google AdSense pin, you have to wait for 3 weeks before you can reapply. Don't forget that you have 4 months to apply for this Google AdSense pin, after which your channel will be demonetized. So I applied for it the first time. After 3 weeks, I didn't see anything. During these 3 weeks, I got the contact of the post office I used, and I was calling the guy that my name is this, I'm expecting a pin from Google, please, if you receive it, call me, and all that. So I was calling the guy, I was following him up, but every time I called, he was always telling me that no, you don't have any Google AdSense pin here for you and all that. I said okay. So after the 3 weeks, I reapplied again. You can always reapply every three weeks before the 4 months. So I reapplied again after the 3 weeks. The same story again. Nothing at all. So I applied the 3rd time, and it was the same story. You don't have any pin here yet. We have not received it. And I was like, what? See, one thing is that Nigeria Postal Service will frustrate you. Most especially if you are not in Lagos, Abuja, even those people that are living there, they are also going through it. Postal service is nothing to talk about. So I was already getting frustrated that what is going on? Why is my Google AdSense pin not coming? Who did I offend? I don't suffer for this YouTube where. Now that I'm monetized, now I'm not going to get my money or what? So I was already getting frustrated and all that. So I was on YouTube trying to watch videos on Google AdSense pin. Then I came across a video that I can actually verify my Google AdSense without the Google AdSense pin sent to my address. For those who are new to YouTube, or for those who do not really know about YouTube thing and are planning to start content creation on YouTube, before you can earn on YouTube, first of all, you have to open your own YouTube channel. That is the first thing. Then you have to keep posting consistently, like keep posting content. After which, the requirements that you really need to get monetized and start earning on YouTube is you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is very important. It is a must for you to have before you can start earning on YouTube. So after hitting the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, you can then apply for monetization. It is during the process of applying for monetization that you are going to sign up for Google AdSense, where you are going to fill all your details. Then you wait for your Google pin. After you reach the $10 threshold, you apply for your Google pin and wait for it to come. So I did my research, and all you need to do is you have to apply for your Google AdSense pin at least 4 times before you can verify it without the pin. After the fourth time, after applying the fourth time and the 3 weeks has gone and you have not received your pin, you can now fill a contact form on your Google AdSense, and your Google AdSense will be verified within a minute. It's not even up to a minute, let's say like within 30 seconds. I'm going to show you all the proof and how you can do it. Now, these are the things you are going to need to do that. You are going to need your government ID. In my case, I use my international passport, and the name on your government ID must be the same thing with the one you filled already when you are signing up for your Google AdSense. It must be the same. And also, you are going to submit a proof of address. Yes, this is also very important. You are going to submit a proof of address to verify your Google AdSense account. How do you get your proof of address? You can get your bank statements. Some of these banks put address on bank statements, so you can use your bank statement for it. But in my own case, I use a house receipt. Guys, don't worry about that. It's something that is very, very easy. So for the proof of address, you can use your house receipt. However, the name on your proof of address must be the same thing with the one on your Google AdSense, the details you filled on your Google AdSense. And the address of your house must be boldly written the way it is written on the Google AdSense when you signed up for it. The way you put your address there is the same way it should appear on the proof of address. If the address on your Google AdSense details is number 5 Shoberu Street, Lagos Island, Nigeria, that is what should be on your proof of address too. No changes at all. If not, YouTube is not going to accept it. Aside this, for the house receipt, what you can also do is, if you cannot meet your landlord, you can design one for yourself. Yes, you can design one for yourself. If you want me to do a video on it, I'm going to do it in another video. Just tell me in the comment section if you want me to do a video on that. So you can also design a receipt for yourself to use for this purpose. So it is very easy. It is very easy to do. So now I'm going to flip the camera to my screen to show you step by step on how to fill your contact form and how to fill the details, put your ID and your proof of address, and get verified in less than 1 minute. So guys, let's go. So now I am going to log into my AdSense account, type in adsense.google.com. So I'm going to sign in using my email I used to sign up when I was registering for Google AdSense. Now, as you can see, it is loading here. It's going to bring me to this page. So I'm going to click on the payment button. Then you can see the verification check under it. So I'm going to click the verification check, which is going to bring me to this page. You can see that the address verification needs attention. So I'm going to scroll up. There is a learn more button here. So I'm going to click it, which is going to bring me to this page. You have to scroll down. You can take your time to read all this, but just scroll down, and you are going to see this pin troubleshooter. Click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. Confirm if the email is correct. Yes, that is it. I click yes, and it asks that please select the payment issue you would need help with. I click the payments not received, and it brings me to this page. I am going to copy this my ID publisher because I'm going to be needing it soon. So the first thing I did is to copy it, and let's read the details here. Upon checking your account, it looks like you have not yet verified your payment address with the personal identification number PIN we mailed to you. You would need to verify your payment address before you can complete payment setup to receive payments. Please visit the PIN troubleshooter if you are facing issues with this step. I am going to click the PIN troubleshooter, which is going to bring me to this page. I'll confirm the email address again. Yes, I'll click on yes, continue, and it's going to bring me to this page. Have you received your physical PIN mailer? Yes, I have received my PIN. That's the first option. No, I have not received. So I'm going to click on the no button, which is going to take me to another page. Upon checking your account, it looks like you have already requested 4 pins. In this situation, our specialist team would be able to help you further. So I'm going to click on the contact form, which is going to bring me to this page. I'll put my name as it is on the Google AdSense account I opened. I'm going to put my name. My email is already there. My Google AdSense publisher I copied the other time. I'm going to paste it here, then choose files. This is where you are going to upload your government ID and the proof of address I talked about. So just click on the choose files, choose your government ID. In my case, like I said, I use my international passport. So I've clicked that. I'm also going to choose another file, choose my proof of address and upload that one also. I told you that you need the two for this verification. You need it. It is very important. So I'm going to cross check the details I filled again one more time. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on the submit button. So I'm going to click on the submit button to submit this my form. This is the proof that the contact form has been submitted. I got a mail immediately that a specialist is investigating my issue and they will get back to me soon. Not up to 1 minute, guys. After receiving the first mail I showed you, I got this mail that thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirements for AdSense. So instead of waiting forever, don't allow your money to go in the drain while waiting for Google PIN. Just do this after applying the 4th time and you are good to go. I went back to my Google AdSense account and as you can see, my address has been verified. Like very sharp and very easy to do. So guys, this is all you need to know about verifying your Google AdSense PIN without the Google AdSense PIN itself. So please make sure you verify your Google AdSense PIN. You don't have to wait till you get the PIN. You can do it this way after applying 4 times. Don't let all your hard work go into the drain because of the PIN. You understand? So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe and drop a comment, and also please share so that other people can also learn from it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.